Do you like scary stories? Well, here's one for you. Whenever I'm house sitting, I always read the owner's diary. My favorite part of house sitting is reading people's diaries. Take my latest gig, the Wrights. Mid-40s, married 2 years. They weekend in Malibu once a month, which gives me plenty of time to snoop around. I thought I hit the jackpot. The last 5 entries in Miss Wright's diary read like a soap opera. She married her husband for money. No surprises there. The house was freaking huge. And it wasn't long before their relationship went bad. Unfortunately, Mr. Wright's lawyers had drawn up a snazzy prenup, so she was stuck. For the next few months, she documented the decay of their marriage. In the brief moments I spent with them, I noticed snarky comments and scornful glances. They secretly hated each other. Miss Wright's entries became more and more aggressive until finally one ended with, "Sometimes I just want to kill my husband." Spicy, I thought, munching popcorn while spreading out across their king-sized bed. You can imagine my reaction when Mr. Wright had his accident a few weeks later. There was a fault with the brake line on his Ferrari, apparently. I was suspicious but had 2 problems. First, I had no evidence that Miss Wright was actually involved. And second, I couldn't reveal what I knew without basically admitting to half the neighborhood that I read their diaries. So, I hatched a plan. Sooner or later, Miss Wright would need a house sitter. Confessing to a murder in her diary would be pretty stupid, but maybe I'd find something that the police could use. Then I could say that I only read it because I was already suspicious. 6 weeks later, I got the call. "Of course, Miss Wright, I'd be happy to house sit." I waved her off and then dashed into the bedroom. She switched hiding places, but I eventually found the diary on the back wall of her closet. Surprisingly, there had only been 1 entry since the previous visit. It read, "I killed my husband." From outside of the bedroom window, I heard a creak. I shouted, "Hello?" And when nobody answered, I continued reading. I've gotten away with it. The police don't suspect a thing. There's just one loose thread. The house sitter. 2 weeks after the accident, I found my diary face down when I always leave it face up. If she went to the authorities, it could ruin everything. My stomach twisted like a towel getting wrung out. But I've got a plan. I'll hide my diary in the walk-in closet and pretend to leave. Then when she goes looking for it, I'll close the door and fly to Malibu. The door jams and can't be opened from the inside. I've taken the liberty of installing a signal blocker and even told the pool cleaner to take a few weeks off. My stomach twisted even further. She'll never get out alive. When I return, I'll dispose of the diary and then call the police. Easy peasy. Before I could react, the closet door swung shut. Then everything went dark.